Omo, I don't blow. This is better than Yahoo.
By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to go from a blank script to a finished, published video. And not a single one will cost you a dime. Let's dive in. We have 5 tools we are going to deal with right now, and I'm going to go straight into it. No fluff, no bluff. Just going straight into what works. The first app we are going to use is Claude. I already have a prompt we are going to use for Claude. So let's just go to Claude. Just type in Claude and sign in. If you are not signed in already, it will just tell you to sign in via Google, your Google account. So when you go through your Google account, you sign in and you're on Claude. Now look at the prompt I'm going to use exactly and use it. Especially if you want to create movies, dramas, the 3D pixel-like animations, and if you want to do realistic images, whatever you want to do, just input it into it. But watch what I'm going to do with this, and it's going to be very useful for you. You are a viral storyteller and cinematic AI prompt engineer. Create a 3-minute betrayal drama for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels, divided into 36 scenes of exactly 5 seconds each. Start with a shocking hook, build suspense with cliffhangers. Before I continue, the reason why it is going to give you 36 cents is that to make up to 3 minutes video, you are going to need about 36 cents. Now, tell it, start with a shocking hook, build suspense with cliffhangers, include major twists, and end with a satisfying payoff. Every scene must naturally flow into the next and keep viewers wanting more. The entire story must be a high-quality 3D pixel animation, style animation with consistent characters, expressive facial animations, vibrant cinematic lighting, and stylized environment. Now, for you to have consistent characters, I'll teach you right here. But this first one we are using is Claude. Before the scenes, generate title, story summary, character reference, sheet, keep appearance and clothing consistent, setting. Then for each of the scenes, generate story beats, dialogue, camera direction, sound effect, Google Flow image prompt, because our prompt has to be exactly for the image generating app we have to use, and our video prompt has to match with the video generating app we want to use. So we are telling Claude to give us exactly the prompt that is going to be used for the image generating app and the video generating app, so that we can have accuracy. Digen AI video prompts, 5 seconds animation and all. After Claude, the next app we are going to use is the image generation app, because Claude is going to give us the generation for images and videos per scene. We are going to use Google Flow for image generation. After Google Flow, we are going to use Digen AI. Digen AI will give you 400 points to use for your videos before you start paying for it. And Digen AI is the most affordable right now. I'll show you the pricing so that you can use it. Now, let's move to the next thing. Transition to the next scene. The video and the prompt will transition to the next scene for us automatically. Then, make output production ready so the image and video prompt can be used directly without editing. So we are just going to copy the prompt from Claude and put it into our image editing tool and our video editing tool. Let's check it out. Let's click enter and it's great. Now it's running it. Bring in Google Flow. Like I told you, we are using 5 apps. The first one is Claude. The second one is Google Flow. I'm going to lead you step by step on how to handle it. Now go to new project in Google Flow. So when you get to the new project, this is exactly our workstation. Keep this. And let's go to the next one, which is Digen AI. Digen AI. There's a lot of them you can use, but I want to use Digen for this because people love things that are free and affordable for them to start, and after that, they can now pay for it. Now, Digen AI free AI generator. We open this, and here we are in Digen. Now, when it loads, you see, I have 480 free points that I have not used. Now, this point load every day, the last time I checked. So you have enough to generate videos, and their pricing, like I said, I wanted to show you, is not something expensive. Now let's click on it and check the pricing. The pricing is very affordable. Now I have this remaining mem and whatever it is, shared videos, whatever it is. Now if you see this, this is the Ultra. The Ultra is just $5. Very affordable. Wherever you are in Africa or in the world, $5 is affordable for everyone. So with $5, you can generate image motion unlimited, flux development unlimited. And you know, Sora 2 model, you can use it, but it's still access. VO3, you can use all this model. But for these ones, it is unlimited. For these ones, it is unlimited. You can use it and create anything you want. Now, see the next one. This is $10. Imagine. And for this, you have unlimited image motion and flux development too. And you can use all of this. Now, can you imagine you can create up to 300 videos in a month with daily login 200 points. So every time you log in per day, you have 200 points that is free apart from the ones that is given to you via purchase. So you can use that. But right now, you can still have the 480 points we have here already. Now let's go back to Claude and see if it has finished generating. And the fourth one we are using is the video editing app. We are using CapCut. And you can go online and type CapCut. I already have it on my system, the desktop version. But if you don't have that yet, here's how to do it. You come here and it tells you all of this. This is your landing page. This is what you will see. And from here, just come to download free. But because I've downloaded it before, and there's a bonus tool I'm going to give you today. People don't know about it, but I'm going to show you. Let's go back to Claude. Claude already generated what we wanted to generate. So if you want to download it, you just click download here. It goes straight to your system. But let's read what it is all about. It said it's a shattered trust, a 3 minutes betrayal drama that 6 cents, 5 seconds per one. Format YouTube short, TikTok reels, and all of that. Now, here's the story summary. Lena Vos built a drink company over Byte with her best friend Marcus Ray. When Lena discovers a signature forged on documents that just sold their company out from under her, she believes Marcus betrayed her for money. While she confronts him, a darker truth unravels. Charming venture capitalist Victor Kane has been blackmailing Marcus for months. What Marcus doesn't know is that Lena has been building her own case against Victor. And this confrontation was the trap all along. 2 betrayals, 1 mastermind, and a friendship that must survive the fallout before the truth sets everyone free. This is really good. Makes sense, and it explains all the characters to us, what they are going to do, and how it's going to be. Now, that is not our problem. There is the settings. The most important to us in this story is the same. The story. Lena stars in shock at her laptop screen, you know, all of this. So, all the dialogue are here, but this is the image prompt. When you want to do anything, you copy the image prompt. Let's do this straight up. It's on my system already, but let's just do it from here. You go to Google Flow and you click here and you paste. Once you paste, you don't have to do anything. Just click generate. This is straightforward than you think. There is no load. You don't need to know any code. You don't need to know anything. You don't need any training. Now, AI has turned everyone into a pro. Now it says it wants to generate 15, a video for 15 credits. Don't generate video here so that you don't waste your credits that you need to use for image, because Google Flow gives you image generating credits every single day. So just say reject. And when you say reject, it's generating the image already for you. Now, while it's generating the image, let's go back to Claude and say, now this is for the video. Once we have the image, we can now use this prompt to generate the video for the image. But before we do that one, let's go to send to and see the prompt, Google Flow image prompts, you see? So we'll copy this prompt also. This is for send to. Control C. This is straightforward and easy. Now, as you can see, it's generating 4 images because the thing, it is set to 4 here. We want it to, not to waste time. We'll want it to generate 1 image per time. And of course, this is the dimension. We'll save this. The image is generating already. Look at this. We have the image already. We can pick this. Just come here, click this place, download, and download in 2K. If you want 4K, you have to upgrade. Just download in 2K and let's wait for it. I want to do like 3-4 cents for us here before we move ahead and join it together. And I show you the secret app I was talking about that would do something you will not believe. Now we have this already. Let's go to the system and view it. All we have to do now with this image is to go to Digen AI, post this image in Digen AI, and use the prompts we have in Claude to generate the video. Now let's go to Digen AI. Now from Digen AI, just come here where we have the plus, then you add the upload image. Now it takes you to the system. Normally for my system, it should be in the download. So it comes to download and the image will be up here. Then you pick the image, you open and it comes here. The next thing to do is go to Claude, copy and make sure you don't make mistakes. Once you do, don't go to the second one yet. Once you do the image for the first scene, go to the video for the first scene. You understand? So that you don't mix it up. Because if you pick the image prompt for scene 1 and you go ahead and pick the video prompts for scene 2 for scene 1, you will mix it up. So the best thing is per time, make sure that you pick the scene for the image. After creating the image, go directly to that same scene you are operating with and copy the video prompt and put it on the video generating app so that you don't get confused or it doesn't get complex and you mix it up. We just copied the video generating prompt for the first scene now. Then we go to Digen AI. When we get to Digen AI, then we'll paste it right here. See, all we are doing here has nothing to do with what you know. You are just following instructions. Now we click that. Then Digen AI is working on it. It's creating it. Second thing, if you move fast, you can achieve this in very, very, very little time. Now, copy this. That is scene 2. You see, we're on scene 2 right now. We come here and we'll paste it right here. Make sure you put image generation because it gets confused sometimes because Google Flow can create image and video. Just put image generation and click this place. So now that we have told it, we want just one, it won't be creating 4, 10 for us so that we don't finish our free credits. So let's go to Digen AI. It's still generating. We have the Google Flow. Now it's generating that one. You see, we have cancelled it using the 4 with the prompt I gave it and the settings I did right here with the agent. So once I picked it, it's generating 1. It's not generating 4 anymore, so that we would have our point secured till we finish generating our images. The second image is coming up. Let's check Digen AI. Okay, we have our video ready. Now let's try our video right now. Let's see how good it is. Okay, now let's check it now. You see? And it's even with the voice. You see? She's perplexed. This is really good. So we roll up. Let's check the full screen and download. Now, don't mind the hologram, the Digen AI written here. Don't mind that for now. I'll show you exactly how you're going to remove it. That's not a deal. Now it's downloaded. We have that already. Let's come to Google Flow and check the second scene. See what we have. We already have the second scene and it's generating it. You see, it's the same close. This everything they hear. We download this too. Download. We come to 2K. We download it. We come to Digen AI. The second scene. Upload image. Come to upload image. Then we'll pick the second image. Then we open. And we go back to Claude. We pick the second scene prompt. You see. So, you see, this is really fast. Ctrl C. I copied it already. I come to Digen AI. I paste it. Ctrl V. And I generate. If you watch, I was having 480 before. Now it's 460. That is 20 per generation. See how beautiful that is. That means if you have 20 per generation and you want to generate, you have 400. Now it's generating the second scene right here. When we generate the two scenes, then we'll go to CapCut and join them together. We have a second one. Let's expand it to the full screen and see exactly what it has created. Now, see.
No.
Now that is very real. That is very, very real. This is how you will join. You see, with what I've done for you now, it is easy for you to pick this and continue from here until you do the 36. It's just the same move. It's the same process. I copy the image, a prompt, put it in Google Flow, copy the video prompt, put it in Digen AI, and download the way I just told you. Just check it and do it all over again. Then you come to CapCut. When you get to CapCut, now I'm not using this because I already have CapCut on my system. So I'm going to use my own CapCut here, right here. I'll come here and say create project, and it's create project straight. To import the images, I'll just have to come here to my system, and then we come here. We have the two videos. There's the first one and there's the second one. Can move both of them and move it here. And if you don't want to do that in CapCut, you can just click import, and it takes you to you come to download, or wherever your video is. You pick the first one, you pick the second one, or you pick them one after the other. Then you press open, because while I pick the first one, you want to pick the second one. If you are not using the system, I pressed Control and clicked this. That's why I picked it too, and I just press open. You see, so it comes right here, and I have the two right here now. Then you can bring, since you know this is the first one, you bring the first one down here, and you bring the second one down here. It automatically joins together, you see, because there is a magnet here. It joins, and let's just take a look at it.
No.
Now, see the way it's real, and she's shocked. All we have to do now, like I promised you, how to remove the Digen, and just pull this down. That's all. Digen AI is gone out of the picture. Here you click, and it's gone. That's what to do. You see, straightforward and easy. Digen AI is gone, and we have this.
No.
You can now add something like transition, or when you're adding anything here, since you are using the free version, make sure you are using something that does not have this purple diamond. If you use anything that has this purple diamond, you won't be able to download without payment. So you just have to be smart. So if there's something here doesn't have the purple diamond, you can use it as your transition. What are transitions? They are in between videos. They lead one video to the other. Now if I click, okay, so it's here. You see the way to a transition. You see that. Do you see that light? That's the transition. See, it's beautiful and it's free. How you know it's free is you go to download, export now. Let's just test it, and you see it allows you to download it because it's free. So just press export. After doing all the video, you just come here, you press export, and then you have it. Now it's downloaded already. See, so let's check the download folder and see what it is. No matter how long it takes, this is exactly the same process. Even if you are joining 100 video, I can say this is the video.
No.
About the bonus I want to give you, it is called Auphonic Productions. Let's get into it and see. Auphonic is a very interesting app. I just kept it for here so that if you watch my video to this point, you have something to keep with you and take along with you. Auphonic is what I use in making sure my voice is crisp. It reduces all the noise in your voice. Why am I introducing it now? The reason is that when you make some videos, sometimes there are some funny things that comes out of AI generated dialogues or videos. It might not be here, and it might be here sometimes in Digen or any other video generating app. All you have to do is be smart. Watch what I'm going to do very closely. Come back to CapCut, just export. But this time when you want to export, you tell it not to export the video. So you have only your MP3 to export. You see, you only have your audio to export. So export your audio. If you feel the audio is not clean or crisp enough, now it's done. You press OK. Now you come to your download folder, and we'll see the voice. You see, this it's downloaded already. So we'll come to Auphonic production. Now, all we have to do is drop an audio here. Let's go to our folder again. Just click on this, pull it and pull it here. Press start processing. I'll sign in with Google. The beauty with Auphonic is that when you get into this place, Auphonic gives you 2 free hours every month to create whatever you want to create. Now it's processing. This is what I've used to process my voice. If you've seen any of my video apart from this, now the video you are watching right now, Auphonic is what I'm using, that you are hearing my voice, that scripts. So let's listen to the audio.
No.
That's the old one. Now this is the updated.
No.
This is the original voice. Listen to it.
No.
Now this is the edited voice.
No.
All you have to do next is just download it. You scroll up and you click download. And you see it's downloaded. You have it here in your download folder. So once you have it here, the next thing you will do is come to CapCut again. Go to your download folder and move this audio. Here it is. Move it here. So when you move it here, somebody is thinking, okay, I've moved it here. There's an audio area already. Would they not compromise each other? It's a simple logic I discovered. Just do this. Come to the audio and reduce this audio totally. You see, when I play it now, you see there's no audio file in it anymore. When I play it now, there's no audio. There's no more audio in it. The audio is gone because I put the volume into 0. So you bring in your new audio, and you have to make sure you align it. All you have to do is click this place and come here. See, this means you cut everything on the left. Just click everything on the left is cut off. Then you bring it down here. You'll see how it's going to work now. Okay, that means it is right here. Aha. Yeah. So the main thing is the typing here, and she's clicking,
No.
and she's saying, no, you get. So right here, she was just making expression. We can increase the volume for this. Come to audio and increase the volume for this part. Now, you see that everything will sync. Now, let's listen to this. See, she's sighing. And now she's typing. And now she freaks out.
No.
Every time Auphonic gives you an audio, they come with their own advert to get. So all you have to do is cut off this. You just click on here, click this, and you come here. Everything on the right, delete. You see, it's gone. Now you have a clean video.
No.
You see, that's all. The next thing you have to do is, your video is ready, come to export. You can rename it. Betrayal. I rename all my videos so I can know exactly where it is. Don't forget to click so that your video and your audio will come up. And it downloads in 4K. You will really love it. And press export. Once you click export, then it's downloading. There's not much in this. This is simple, straightforward, except if you don't want to do it.
no, 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 no.
Thank you so much. Go and build something. See you on the next one.
Guys, women cannot